Hey guys, Sophia here, my Great Challenge. Welcome back to my new series, One Task a Day. I have a monkey wrench. A task I absolutely did not anticipate. Today I have to raise my garden fence. Why? Yeah, despite my spraying deer repellent every single night before I go to bed, and when I'm saying spraying, I'm going through a gallon a week of that stuff, a deer managed to get into my vegetable garden and leveled it. Let's go see the damage. So here's the vegetable garden. You're probably not seeing much difference, but let me show you. So one zucchini is out, one is half out, this one almost. Didn't touch the onions, didn't touch the 3 tomatoes that are in cages. However, chopped off, chopped off, chopped off, almost chopped off. Yeah, these are the cucumbers. They are all gone. All gone. Ate all, if not one, of the beans. For some reason, didn't touch these eggplants, but ate those. All of the lettuce that you saw me plant, gone. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bell peppers, chopped off the top of that one and that one over there, and then all of the chards got chopped off, and some of the beans. So yeah, I'm lucky. Didn't get into, hey Willie, didn't get into the backyard to munch of the daylilies. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replant what needs to be replanted. I'm pissed off about the tomatoes and the cucumbers because these were started from seeds. It is what it is. I'm going to raise this by 4 foot. And I had, but I gotta do it on the cheap side, because otherwise these are gonna be some expensive vegetables, all right? So that's my task today, and my 2 boys are going to help. First things first, I need to remove the tops. Okay. I gotta be careful not to damage plants. I got this one. Start the other one. Alright, that wasn't too hard. Alright, so again, I'm doing as fast as I can because I really don't have much time. We're just gonna screw this in, right? And I'm leaving the hooks on the outside. Good. Okay, so I got chicken wire 4 feet by 25 feet. I got 2 of them. So hopefully, and again, this is temporary. I just don't have the time this year to raise the fence properly and make it pretty. Right now, I just want to stop the deer from eating my vegetables because Mom's coming in next week. See, I'm going to keep the leftover wire and I'm going to block off the underneath of the deck because of the rabbit. Alright, this is what this side looks like. I have wood and I'm doing a contraption for the door. I'm basically going to extend the door. But this is at least 7.5 feet tall. Okay, they can go and eat the neighbor's stuff. I'm gonna staple these in so that they don't try to get in, but I think they will do it. It's not attractive, I get that. Okay, but I have to save the garden. And you can barely see it, really. I just wish it was... Couldn't afford the sturdier one, so this one is a little wavy. I'll see what I can do. Alright, I just gotta do the door. What do you think? How tall do you think that is, Ed?
7 feet?
7 feet?
No, because you're taller than it. Well, when you stand on the
I mean, the total fencing, yeah.
Yeah, 7 feet?
Yeah.
Alright, for the door I'm basically gonna make a frame. And it's gonna get attached to it and it's gonna raise the door to the same level. Again, all temporary. Next year, next spring, I'll figure something prettier. But I think it's gonna work, right? What do you think? I just don't want to lose my vegetables. It's crazy. You know, last year they leveled it twice. And I'm telling you, that spray doesn't do nothing. Okay, so at least I saved 3 tomatoes. I bought a whole bunch of vegetables. I'm gonna replant everything, rewater everything. And we should be okay. Hate it. I hate them deer. Alright, and then you start, you put that down, and then you want to be a little bit angled like that. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay, and as the sew starts, then you bring it down. To do precision cutting here, so don't worry if it snaps at the end. Excellent job. Good. And then one in the middle. 31 what?
0.5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. That's one task I didn't ask for, but it's necessary. I put that here so that you don't prick yourself. Whoop, almost fell. All right. I don't think the deer is gonna come in. I still have to spray all of this, but yeah, we'll see. Pray for me and my vegetables. I am beat. Thanks, Ed. Thank you for helping. I'm so glad they helped. It was, it's the kind of stuff, you know, if you do it by yourself, it's just too hard. So again, this is temporary. Next spring, I'll do a proper wooden frame with better wire. Right now, I just needed to get it done because I have new plants to replace the one the deer chewed. It's unbelievable. So those sprays don't work, okay? Just saying, you know. I'll put a picture right here of the one I use. I've used several ones in the past. It says it's good for 2 months. I don't think it's good for 2 hours, to be honest, because I spray almost every night. If I don't spray, I put the granules. I mean, it's crazy. Can't get rid of them. The only solution really is to finish off the property. That one wall that's not fenced and put a gate. That's the only way, because you saw them in 2 videos or 3 videos ago. You saw one walking down the sidewalk like, you know, la di da, right? They are a big problem in this area of New Jersey. We do the best we can. I'm more upset about the cucumbers than anything else. And then the 4 tomatoes that they chewed up, because I started those from seeds, so now I had to buy plants. I still have 3 tomatoes that are mine, and 2 zucchinis that are mine. And then the beans, some beans. I'm telling you, it's going to be an expensive harvest. Anyway, I'm tired. Thumbs up if you liked it. This was not on my list. Again, Monkey Ranch. I just needed to do this before the weekend. Later on today, I'm going to go and plant, or maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning. I just got to water the seedlings that I got so that they don't die on me, and start over, okay? Start over. The vegetables won't be as full and somewhat mature as the other ones were when Mom comes, but she's here all summer, so it's all right. It's fine. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe in the corner. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.